Hello and welcome to this short tutorial designed to help students answer the multiple part essay questions they will be encountering while completing their unit assessments for the System Analysis and Design course. In this tutorial I will be showing students how best to find the resources to get help in answering these multi-part essay questions by conducting a simple basic query using Google. Students are expected to conduct as much additional research as needed to support their answers. You can use the internet, YouTube, the CSU library, your course text, and any other resource that can help. Students can help reduce the stress level and the time it takes to answer these parts by learning how to do a basic query using Google. So let's begin. Here we see an essay question taken from the Unit 1 assessment of the course. The essay question has multiple parts labeled A, B, C, and D. Let's take part A of the essay question and see how we can get this answered. To help this process along, we first need to identify the main idea of the sentence. The question asks, what are the 4 organizational levels of a typical company? The main idea could be narrowed down to 4 organizational levels. We first highlight and copy the words 4 organizational levels and then paste that into the search window of Google. Now, not all queries will be this easy to define, but with a little practice, students can take a portion of any question and query it using Google to get help in finding useful resources. You may have to think about how to reword the query so that it makes sense to Google, but once you learn this, your workload as a student will be greatly diminished. If the information you are looking for is not on the first page of the results, your query statement may need to be rewritten, shortened, or you may need to use better keywords. Once you have found the information you need, you can move on to the next step, which is how best to write your response to the multi-part essay question. This is done by copying and pasting the entire essay question into your Word document. Using the format you have copied from the assessment, break the question apart into each section and answer each section directly. Take the information from your query and answer the question as concisely as possible, but do not copy and paste the results directly into your document. Remember to paraphrase and to rewrite your response in your own words. Your response for each section should be 4 to 5 well-constructed sentences. It's important that students do not forget to paraphrase or rewrite their response using their own words. Anything else could be considered plagiarism. The last thing students need to concern themselves with when answering any essay question is to be sure to cite their sources. At the end of your paper, include your cited sources. If all you have is the course text, cite it. In summary, we need to learn how to query. The internet is the largest library in the world. Someone somewhere has had to answer the same question. Knowing how to find your answers can drastically cut down on your time. Learn to search YouTube for a video tutorial on the subject. An example of this would be a tutorial of being a system analyst. Type into the search window what it is you want to watch and listen to and select from the results. Learn how best to write your essay response to a multi-part questions. And finally, cite the sources used to write your response. I hope this tutorial will be of help, and if you have any questions, contact your instructor via email. Thank you.